Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in Google Gemini AI, formerly known as Bard. Whether you want to switch to English, Spanish, Hindi, or any supported language, here's how to do it. First, go to gemini.google.com and log in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main Gemini chat screen, look to the bottom left corner. You'll see a gear icon. That's the settings menu. Click on it. In the settings window, look for the language option. Go ahead and click that. Now, you'll see a list of available languages. Choose the one you want Gemini to use. For example, if you want it in Spanish, select Español. Once selected, Gemini will refresh, and the interface, including instructions, buttons, and responses, will appear in your chosen language. Quick tip. If you want Gemini to respond in a specific language without changing the whole interface, you can just type your prompt in that language and Gemini will reply accordingly. And that's how easy it is to change the language in Gemini AI. Don't forget to like the video if it helped, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon. Let me know in the comments what language you're using Gemini in. Thanks for watching!